Good afternoon. Welcome to Literature 1 class. My name is Mr. Olusola. Literature 1 centers on drama, and in our penultimate class, we discuss the origin of drama, and then we also provide conceptual definition to the concept of drama by three different scholars. We'll look at what Aristotle says about drama. Then we'll further consider two other prominent scholars. Then this afternoon, we'll be looking at two different topics under this particular concept. The first concept we want to look at non-literary concept of drama and literary concept of drama. So when we talk of non-literary concept of drama, it simply means the traditional sense of drama. And the traditional sense of drama in this content is that drama came to being to entertain people. So there is no literary definition or literary sense that is attached to drama right from its origin. Because when we trace the origin of drama, we trace it to Greco-Roman drama. And then far back in the ancient Greek city society, we discovered that drama metamorphosed from the tradition, the conception, the norm, the value, the ritual of the people. So this defined the non-concept, the non-literary concept of drama. Until 5th BC century, when a man in person of Icarus came on board and provided a concept in nature that can define that art, that practice, that actions in the course of celebrating or honoring their gods in ancient Greek cities. And that defined the first phase of the literary concept of drama. And that's why I said that drama has two phases to its meaning: the non-literary and literary concepts. Then we'll talk about the non-literary concept. So this means the aspect of drama which does not in any way educate the society or members of the society, but entertain. So that is the traditional nature of drama right from its onset. Then the second concept I want us to go to now is what we refer to as the literary concept of drama. As the phrase implies, literary means educate or education. So to be literate means to be educated. So this means that drama as a genre of literature or an aspect of literature educates people, educate members of the society, or educate the society itself. And that's what we mean by literary concept of drama. So right from the point that Icarus, followed by Sophocles and Euripide, came into the environment of drama, drama have taken upon itself its literary definition, or where's its literary meaning. And right from that timing point, drama has been teaching people didactic lesson, or what we refer to as moral lesson. And that's why here we say that the literary concept of drama teaches and educates the people particularly on morality. So that is what defines the concept of drama in its literary phase. And that's why drama goes beyond entertaining people or making them laugh or provoking them into laughter. No, it teaches moral lesson, because when we talk about moral lesson, it means lesson from fact of life, particularly from experienced members of the society. That is what morality stands for. And that is what the literary concept of drama teaches or defined. Now let's quickly look at the second phase of our topic this afternoon. We quickly go to the second phase of the topic, which is relationship between drama and society. Relationship between drama and society. It is sine qua non that we cannot separate drama from society, and we cannot separate society from drama. From sociological perspective, when we talk about society, we mean the people, that is human being. And of course, the world we live in today, or the universe, is made up of people. And if we link this to drama, drama cannot act on its own, or the name cannot act on its own without people. So when we talk of cast or dramatic personnel, we mean the people. So, and these people, or the company of cast, or the characters in quote, are from the society, are members of the society. So, and we cannot separate these people who act on stage or in a place we refer to as theater hall or theater house from the society, because they are parts and parcel of the society, the larger society. So that is the first phase that defined the relationship between drama and society. Secondly, the theme or the subject matter that this cast or company of casts act on, that is the whatever could be the title of the play or their subject matter or whatever they want to display in the theater hall or cinema hall, is what experience that they have garnered from the society so far, or what the society have taught them, then which now become part of their experience. That is what they act on in order to teach young members of the society who are coming up as members of the society. So that is the second phase by which drama and society are inseparable. We cannot separate drama from the society. Then thirdly, drama and society are inseparable because every society, every society or every drama displayed or acted by members of the society showcase their societal culture, showcase their societal norms, so showcase their societal principles, showcase their societal doctrine. And that's why if you look at the nature of theater in Africa, right from day one, it centers on African tradition, African way of life, African morality, African folk tales, African life and experience, African legend and myths, and so on and so forth. That is what drama entails. Then we've also travel out and look at the other world or the other part of the society. They also act in line or in consonant with their culture. In line with their culture, in line with their practice, in line with their tradition. So drama is an element of the society because what the company of drama or film industries showcase or display is a result of what the society live by. So it is impossible to separate drama from society. Likewise, it is also impossible to separate society from drama. Right from time immemorial, both drama and society live together. And that's why I say that both drama and society need each other for survival. Hence, society will become so boring without the spice of drama. Thank you. Do we have any question in respect of what we discussed this afternoon? Any question? Right. So if there is no question, we have this assignment for you. The assignment is simple. Differentiate between drama and theater. So at least in 80 English words. Thank you. Do have a wonderful day.